Alright, so here we are, July 31st in my 50K combine for NQ, and off to a great start, straight down, which is typical. It's very typical for me. I always start out bad on everything and then find my legs and then get going. So we're off to, everything's on track, I guess you could say. So hopefully today we'll get a trade in the NQ and be able to grow this back up. And then here we are on my live account, and then you can see today it doesn't show the payout box. I don't know why it does that. But anyway, so currently we're at $6,715 in the live account. Hopefully I'll get some trades in today on that. It's been a few days since a trade has set up, and then when the trades were setting up a lot last week, I wasn't here to trade them. So missed out on a lot of opportunity. This account could be doing fantastic right now, but we'll see what happens today. But live account so far, 48 days complete, 83% winning trades, $6,715 in that account. All right, buddy, let's get into today's trades. Okay, so here we are on July 31st. Just jumped in one contract long on the YM in my live account, trading my live account today. I have a little setup here for a small trade. So jumped in the live account, putting my stop in right now. My stop
Order
market.
submitted.
All right, let me mark this up real quick so I can get everything in the right spots. Okay, trades in live account. So let's see if we can make some money in the live account today. It's been a while, but we got it set up and I'm in. Okay, this black line right here could be a rejection zone. We'll have to see what it does. Right in this pocket, rejection zone. If it continues to struggle to get through there, then I'll take my trade off. Okay, see that how it got instantly rejected as soon as it touched that again? So if that keeps happening, then I'm going to look to move my stop up. I say rejection zone because you can see where we had the breakout over here. Came back, touched that, bounced, touched that, bounced. Finally broke through there and then came back up and then touched it the opposite side and rejected, right? So clearly that's a significant piece right through here that I have to pay attention to. And this morning, NASDAQ has just been kind of on a rocket ride straight up. It'd be nice if the Dow Jones would follow suit. All right. Moment of truth. Is it going to do it? Yes, it's making it through. Okay, move my stop to break even plus a couple dollars. New 30-minute candle just opened as well. So this may be short-lived as the 30-minute candle might want to make a wick to the downside. Push back through there. I'm going to put my stop in and then see if I get lucky and squeeze more out. Okay, stops in. So now all profit. Let's see how much money we'll make now. If I get lucky and this closes up here, I'll just start trailing the green candles and wait for a candle to close below or go below the previous candle. Nice, coming up to new highs. Yeah, when you get trades like this and you're like, man, I wish I had 15 contracts on right now. Right? And then next time you put 15 contracts on, it goes the other way. I hate it when that happens. And you're looking at the 5-minute candle. If you're not sure, up in the top left corner up here, you can see what I'm trading and the candle, 5-minute up there. I'm a Ninja Trader. All right, getting rejected off the highs here.
Order filled.
All right, so I locked that profit in with that bonus money, $455 on that trade. All right, so since I didn't just punch right through the highs here, I'm happy to be out. I'll take my bonus money. I was looking for $300 in there roughly and got $455. So nice little payday today on the live account. Slowly growing this thing back up to a nice level. And then I'll start scaling up more as this thing grows more and eventually get to that $3,000 a trade area. But that won't happen until the account's back way up. It needs to be about $20,000 before I start risking $3,000 a trade. So yeah, about $20,000 for that. So all good in the live account. We'll see if the NQ combine sets up. I'm not sure that it will. I need to see that reverse, and then I'll take it to the short side. I'm not really short biased or long biased. I just trade the switches of the day. So it's on its way up. I don't like to buy something that's it's buy high to go higher or buy low to go lower. That's not my style of trading. I look forward to make a big move high and then reverse that move to get in, or I look forward to at least have a retrace of the move and then a continuation. But I don't like to just jump in high for higher highs and lows for lower lows until I see some action that tells me to get in. And the way NQ is going right now, I might just do this till the end of the day. I don't know. We'll see. All right, everybody. See you on the next trade. Okay, so getting ready to get into the YM long again. So this is looking great. Had this retrace that just took place right here. Back into a support area. Now it's breaking out to new highs. So I'm looking to get into the YM long. You know, jumping back in on the breakout right here is always risky, but after a retest of support and then a breakout, it's a lot better setup for me. It's got 45 seconds. I'm going to jump in with one contract.
Order filled.
Okay, and with one contract in the YM, sell stop market.
Order submitted.
Okay, so trade is in. Hopefully I don't give back the profits I just made, but I want to trade out the day. This is the plan. So, and after this trade, then I'm done. I'm done for the day regardless of what happens. Trading my plan, and that's it. And so which means I need to take this trade if I'm going to take all available trades based on the plan. Got 3 minutes left for this candle to close. I am going to move my stop to break even plus a few dollars now. What's the spread here? 2 points. Okay. All right, there we go. So now if it does come back and stop me out, then I'll just take my 500 for the day or 450 or whatever it is. But I gave it a chance to run. I gave that candle room for a retrace. All that stuff took place. And now I should be off to profits. Okay, kind of a big rejection off this 5-minute candle that hasn't closed yet. So this could be turning around and could be going down. And then part of me will be like, oh, I should have took my $200 off the table. Could have made some extra money today. You know, all those things we say 2020 after the trade. But just following the plan. And then the numbers at the end of the year work out. So I can't be too caught up in what's happening in the moment in the trade. You know, like, oh, I should have, would have, could have. The question is, did I follow my plan? Is my plan solid? Did I do my strategy? Is all that good? What happens at the end of the year if I do everything I'm supposed to do? Am I happy with those results? And if it's yes, 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 and yes, then it's all good. Okay, so out of that trade with the YM, so put maybe a few more dollars on there. And the YM got my 2 trades in for the day. Unfortunately, this one is just going sideways, and I got news coming up, so I don't really want to hold through news. So stop to break even plus a few dollars, so that, you know, if news did come out and it boosted to the upside, I could take advantage of it. If it did break to the downside, you know, maybe there's slippage, but at least I don't give away my day. So better to be break even plus a few dollars with news coming out, and then just it is what it is on the day, right? So that'll put $470 in the live account today. So traded the live account. Did not trade my combine, my 50K combine for NQ, because NQ is just going straight up. Haven't seen any reversals or retracements in NQ yet. So, and my day is running out. I do have other things I need to go do today. So it looks like that is going to do it for me today, just trading in the live account. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow.